All right, time for another video. And the plan, I we had this plan with filling the dashboard. However, last episode was very messy. We have a bunch of to-dos in the air, and obviously we need to test because our new database structure with the receipt data in it actually works and does what we made with this stuff work, and then clean up this obviously. Let's do that first. So we want to delete that. So that looks good. Yeah, kind of good. Then we wanted to test. I guess we do that. We do that here, sorry. Create transaction. Let's say we're a baker. We buy milk. Oh, we buy milk. That cost 100 crowns, and it was last year. Oh, we bought it actually very late, so 11.11. And that's annoying when you're testing some other stuff. So let's find out why, though. That's why. So let's create another one. Then here we're selling some stuff. We're selling buns / cinnamon buns. And hopefully we sell for more than we buy. And that could be 2022, like that. All right. So right now, if this should actually be in, we can change this up so it actually is more meaningful. Here it could be trial, balance, maybe like a break as well. Then that looks bad. December 6th. Also very bad. Alright, whatever. And what does that mean? I simply can't do that, I'm sorry. It's just like a footnote then, I guess. Yeah, alright, I can live with that. I can't do it. Alright. So this should not be happening. This is not really true because we bought this in 2021 and we have to do something about that. And that's what we're gonna do over here. And there's a very simple way. This could be where that will not be like that. There. Receipt date. No. That looks bad. That also looks very bad. Where receipt date is less. That should basically be the same as here. So that would actually be better, and actually the same here. No, it actually is so wrong. It should be like this. It should be, make sure it's after this date, obviously. And we can actually do the same over here. Okay, so this would probably change this, and that disappears. That's what we want. Okay, transfer performance is not getting used yet, and It's going to be that later, I guess, because who why not use it? So we're going to do the same with transfer from former years array, and then there's going to be a bunch of things in between, blah blah blah, stuff. But we're going to figure that out. So transfer from former years array, and this should be transfer from former years. That seems decent. Receipt date should be less than that. That is also very wrong. Okay, so let's see what happens. It must be type string. What do we want? Yeah, we're not actually telling it what we want. So, and what do we want? We basically want amount. And we call the expenses. That's bad. All right. So now we are starting to clean up a bit. So, and the reason I wrote this is if you want to be really, really, really perfect, it would be, can't remember how that's done. I've used it a few times, but it should be. So we go to documentation here. We would use something like this, and we are actually going to do that in the next episode, but that looks fun. Because if I post something in 2023, well, then it comes here because it is later than that date. So we are actually going to use this in another video. But we kind of cleaned up a little bit. We tested some stuff, and let's work our way along the list in a later episode. We don't do